If you're craving something delicious, healthy, and easy to make in the air fryer for dinner, these Thai tuna patties are exactly what you need. They prep as a doddle and they cook in under 15 minutes. They're fresh, zesty, packed with protein, and are sure to be a hit with the whole family.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. This recipe that we're about to cook today is another one of the brand new recipes found inside my Food for Fitness recipes app, which just came out this week.
The app brings together over 280 delicious, nutritious, and family-friendly high-protein recipes, with new ones being added every month that include the calories, fat, protein, and carb content for every recipe. You can also find the perfect recipe in seconds with the advanced search filters. Search by protein source, dietary preference, meal type, prep time, and more.
Cooking these patties in the air fryer results in an outside that is beautifully crispy, but an inside that is lovely and soft. Finished with a squeeze of lemon and a little bit of parsley, it's a beautiful dish cooked in under 30 minutes that I think you're going to love. And this is how you make it.
First thing we're going to do is prep our veggies. You're going to grate 1 carrot and use the small settings, and then chop up half a red pepper. Try and go as small as you can, and then do the same with a spring onion. I'm using one of these giant ones from the garden, but just use normal size if that's what you've got. And then you're going to do the same with a large handful of fresh parsley or coriander. Try and chop that nice and small as well. Make sure your knives are nice and sharp before you begin. Then add that to 400 grams of tuna. That's the equivalent of about 3 cans of tuna once you have drained it. And then you're going to add the juice of half a lemon, along with 50 grams of Thai green curry paste. You could use red Thai paste, that would work just as well, along with 50 grams or 50 mils of Greek yogurt or natural yogurt, and then 80 grams of panko breadcrumbs. The reason we put the breadcrumbs in is they're key for retaining moisture and stops the patties drying out. And then you're going to use 2 large eggs just to help to bind everything. Once all those ingredients have been added, get your hands in, mix it all through so it's nicely combined. As you can see, my mixing bowl wasn't big enough, and I realized that as soon as I started adding the ingredients. So use a nice big mixing bowl so bits of patty and tuna doesn't go flying all over your table. Just do what you can do. Also, at this point in the video, it'd be awesome if you could hit that like button. It really does help me out with the growth of the channel, and I really appreciate it. Now, here's a next level hack. If you use an air fryer that uses wire racks like I do, put a slice of lemon down before you put your patty on it, and then it'll stop the patty just getting all mushed into the wire mesh and making it difficult for when you turn it. So divide the mixture into 8 and then give it a wee scoosh with some olive oil before popping them into your air fryer at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, and make sure to turn them halfway through. The end result is something beautifully crispy on the outside and light and fluffy in the middle. They taste absolutely delicious. You just need to garnish with some more coriander or parsley and give them another little squeeze of lemon on top, and then just get stuck in.
So that is air fryer Thai tuna patties from my brand new recipes app, which just came out this week. And if you click that link below in the description, you can download the app on both Google devices and on Apple devices as well. So if you want 280 odd recipes with new ones being added every single month, download the app. And we'll go and eat this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you later.